Yeah guys, sometimes you're there woman you don't want to cook. So what should you do now? I'll show you what me I go do when me no want to cook sometimes. Cause more time I don't eat every evening you feel to cook. You understand me all this? So watch out go. Watch out go guys. Now go. Guys, and every day you go get up and cook. You understand me all this? So I try to get out the bone out of the sardine. So you have a long bone inside, so now try to get it out. Guys, when you done with this, I go see what I want. And then I like the first time, it's the first time I go do this. I try to get the bone out of the sardine, guys, so just watch out. Yeah guys, so we get out the bone now, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some mayonnaise on the sardine. I'll make it so guys. So, just a little simple, something simple, normal. So guys, this is the sardine and the mayonnaise mix up. This is my tough crackers. So I will see the finishing look when we finish. So just stay tuned. Yeah guys, so this is my sardine and water crackers. We call it tough crackers in Jamaica. So you don't know your thing set up. More time you don't want to cook and you're there home. You want something to eat. You understand me how to eat, so that's how it be guys. And more you like, share, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel, and please hit that notification bell. As me drop a video, you can have it. Yeah guys, I don't know. I don't see things set already. You understand how to eat, so